Welcome to Aimco, where we help factory workers avoid injury and work smarter by guiding them to the best lifting solution.
Hi, I'm John with Aimco Manufacturing. Today we're going to be looking at one of our stacker lifts that's used to pick up pans full of chemical powder. Now this stacker lift is currently mounted to a crane taller than it will be in the field. In the field it'll only be a few inches off the ground and the handlebars will be at a comfortable ergonomic level. So to begin, you'll engage the right fixed jaw, line it up with the part, move the system in. Once you back out and bottom the back of the gripper onto the pan, you hit the clamp button on the left pendant. Once the part is gripped, it is safe to pick. This system has a rotational stop that allows the tool to have approximately 270 degrees of rotation. To prevent any of the electrical cords from being caught while turning the system. It has a 2-button release, so the unclamp alone will not release the part. When you go to set down the part, you pull the common trigger and hit the unclamp at the same time, and it will release the part. You lower down and back away. This tool also has an incremental rotate. Of 180 degrees. Everything on this tool in front of the acrylic is made out of 3/16 stainless steel and is designed to be washed down. The acrylic shroud is designed to protect some of the components behind from being exposed to the water.
And remember, if you need an ergonomic lifting device and don't buy it, you will ultimately pay for it and not have it.